Hi everyone! By now you should be 2 or 3 weeks into using Soundtrap and you should be making some good tunes. What I want you to do next is to start structuring your song into different sections, like an introduction, verse, chorus, and a breakdown or a link section, which is sometimes known as a bridge. Listen to some of your favourite songs and try to identify the sections. The introduction would be at the start, and it would usually lead into a verse, and then the chorus would be the catchy bit which repeats a few times. Try to learn something from famous songs and see if you can use it to influence your own. I'd like your new tunes to have at least 4 sections, at least 5 different instruments to play together in at least 2 of those sections, and the tune should be at least 48 bars long. Let's have a look at mine so far. We're in the second section here. We could call it verse 1, and then this could be the chorus. It has piano, drums, strings, bass, and a guitar. So that's 5 different instruments playing together. But we're only coming up for bar 24, so it's too early for an ending. We could make this a break and build back up into another verse. Before we do that though, let me show you how I've constructed the song so far. Looking at the drums, as you'd expect, all the drums are on the same line, but it's not the same loop all the way through. In the introduction, we have Vertigo Love 05. In the verse it's 04, then in the chorus 01. The strings are the same all the way through though. I thought that without them it was too much of a jump between verse and chorus. Sometimes you need a steady sound that overlaps 2 sections to help link them together. Back to the break. The drums helped build up the intro really well, so I'll use them again. Do you remember how to copy? You hold Alt on the keyboard, press on the sound, and copy it into its new place. It's still a wee bit plain though, so I'm going to add a bit more bass. In the verse we had Banzai 7, in the chorus it was number 1. For the break I'll use number 4. Just 4 bars though please. Remember, use the curly loop button to shorten or extend. That's more like it. Next, I want another verse, but instead of building an entirely new one, I can just copy the one I've already got. To do this, click on an empty space, hold the mouse button down, and draw a box that touches all the sounds you want to select. You'll notice the selected sounds go slightly darker. Be careful not to pick up ones you don't want. When you're ready, hold the Alt button on the keyboard again, click in the middle of a block, and then copy the whole section in one go. And let's do the same with the chorus. So now we have a second verse and another chorus. Great! But it's not so good having the second half of the tune sound exactly the same as the first half. So let's add something else that won't be heard in the first verse or the first chorus. I want a synth. One of the lucid ones. Yeah. All 3. Notice that went on a new track because it's a new instrument, but the next synth can go in the same track. Even though it's a new loop, it is the same instrument. Does it go well? Yeah, definitely. It's filled out this break section nicely. Oh, that's a bit quiet. I'll just turn it up over on the left. So where are we? We have an introduction, 2 verses, 2 choruses, and a break. So that's enough sections. We have 5 different instruments playing together in more than one section. And we have, 44 bars. It needs to be longer. I forgot about my guitarist. Try to think of these as musicians on a stage and not just colour blocks on a screen. So if somebody has played at one part of a song, they should play again later. Otherwise it's like they've just left the band and gone home. So I'll copy the guitarist here. That's a bit of an empty ending though. We can improve it by extending these sounds out and doing something that some of you have already found out for yourselves. And put a wee fade out so they gradually get quieter. Go up to the very top corner of your loop and click on the wee left and right arrows and drag it into the left. Watch closely. It's the very top right and drag it in. You can do this at the start as well, so it fades in gradually gets louder. So how does our ending sound? Much nicer. So, for your targets, your song needs to have at least 4 different sections, at least 5 different instruments that mix together in at least 2 of those sections, and it also needs to be 48 bars long. Good luck!